Hello, and in this video I want to talk about the property market in the North America. Currently, I have some real estate ETF in about Canadian market, and then I believe that if you are interested in property market, maybe you already bought an apartment in the US or Canada. Maybe you did not buy any ETF in terms of real estate. And of course, if you already have apartment, then maybe you honestly don't really need to watch this video anymore. But to me, honestly speaking, now I definitely cannot afford to buy a house in Canada or the US. It's crazy. The price is crazy. So I need to find some way to invest in this market indirectly. And I believe that the real estate ETF is a good way to do so. Real estate ETF is like a fund, okay, a funding company, okay. It hold a fund, and then in this fund, it will invest in different property-related stock or some property management stock, okay. And then those ETF generally can provide dividend to the ETF owner. So currently, as I have the ETF, okay, the real estate ETF in Canadian stock and property market, I actually have monthly dividend, okay. In this video, I will not mention which Canadian real estate ETF I bought. Maybe I will disclose it in next video. This video I generally want to talk about the Canadian property market versus the US one. In these two different property markets, I have much stronger hope, okay, or expectation in Canadian one. The reason is simple. I believe that in the long term, okay, in terms of the stable growth, the Canadian property market will have much higher and much more stable growth than the US. If you have done some research, you will find that for the past 3 or 4 years, a lot of money, okay, hot money, go from different areas such as Asian or African or from Russia, and then one of the major destinations is Canada. Okay, I think it's because Canada is a peaceful country, and then people will find it safe to live there. Okay, especially the rich. Sometimes they just want to have some place so that they can safely guard their assets. And Canada have such purpose. How about the USA? Well, if you read the news, you know what happened in the US for the past 2 or 3 years. The Donald Trump, okay, Joe Biden, and I believe in terms of the political system, there are so many struggles, so many friction in it. And then sometimes those rich people just worry, okay, maybe next president they will have some very unexpected policy, and then it may harm their assets. For the rich people, they need a place to safeguard their assets, okay, and then they also need a place as a last resort for living. So Canada will be a better choice for them, better than the USA. And of course, for the super rich, for the hyper rich people, they will both have apartment in Canada and in the USA. But I believe that Canada, in the long term and short term future, is still the #1 choice for those ultra rich people in the world. And through this logic, I believe that in the short run or long run, the growth of the property market, the property price in Canada will rise much higher than in the US. That's the reason why I invest in Canadian property market full ETF instead of the US. Please tell me what you think. If you don't agree or disagree or have any other point, any other opinion, please feel free to share with me. I will read all your comments. And if you live in Canada, I believe you are suffering. If you have an apartment, great, congratulations. But if you are renting an apartment, truly understand the struggle, okay, the struggle you are facing. And maybe in this case, you need to find some way to hatch this problem, and maybe invest in the Canadian property market full ETF may be a good choice. If you want to know more about Canadian property market ETF, please subscribe my channel. I will share more in the coming video. Thank you.